Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert PDF to Word on a PC for free in 2026. So if you have a PDF file and you want to edit it easily in Word, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your PDF using Microsoft Edge or any browser. This helps you quickly view the file before converting it. Next, go to a free online PDF to Word converter. So upload your file and let the tool convert it automatically. Now download the converted Word file. It will usually be in docx format, ready for editing in Microsoft Word. So open the file in Microsoft Word. Now you can edit text, images, and formatting easily. Next, check the formatting. Sometimes spacing or fonts may shift slightly after conversion. Finally, save your file as Word or export it back to PDF if needed. So this gives you full flexibility with your document. And that's how to convert PDF to Word on a PC for free in 2026. Once you use online tools in Word, you can easily edit any PDF without hassle. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more productivity tutorials.